What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to delete multiple contacts at once on your iPhone or iPad. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, open up your Settings application. Here, tap on your Apple ID name and make sure that you're logged in to the correct Apple ID account. Select iCloud and make sure that your contacts are being synced with your iCloud. In some cases, content and privacy restrictions can prevent you from enabling this option, or your iCloud storage might be full. Clear up some storage for your contacts by deleting old Messenger data, for example. From your main settings, tap on Screen Time. Here, make sure to disable content and privacy restrictions. This will allow you to enable contacts to be backed up in your iCloud. There is currently no official way to delete multiple contacts at once using your iPhone, but you can delete multiple contacts from your list using your PC or Mac, as they will be backed up in your iCloud. Using your Windows PC, navigate to iCloud.com. Here, log into your Apple ID account, and you will proceed to see a list of apps that you can access with data stored in your iCloud. Select Contacts. Here, you can quickly navigate to the contact and then select to edit it. Proceed to delete the selected contact, and it will in turn also be deleted on your iPhone or iPad. When using a Mac, you can simply log into the same Apple ID account and access your native Contacts application to delete your selection of contacts. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.